So let's express the process of photosynthesis by an equation. So I already told you we need four things for the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. I will show the process of photosynthesis by an equation. Okay. So we have first of all carbon dioxide will act with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and it will produce carbohydrate and it will release oxygen. So what is carbohydrate? The food of the plants are known as carbohydrate. You can see if in potato and all, if you are washing that one, you will get like some white color water you will get, or rice. When you are cooking rice, that water that is white color, that is known as the starch. So that the food of the plants is starch. So that is the carbohydrate. Formula is C6H12O6 and byproduct is oxygen. So that is why after the photosynthesis, the byproduct, the balance, the oxygen will get eliminated. Okay, that's why we will tell we have to plant more trees, because after taking carbon dioxide, actually carbon dioxide is not good for the atmosphere. It's actually a poisonous gas. If it is increased more, it will lead to the pollution. So if you are planting more trees, what will happen? The trees will take carbon dioxide and it will produce this food for them, that is carbohydrate, and it will release oxygen. So that's why we are all are telling to plant more trees. Okay, once again I will tell carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and it will give products, it will give what all things? Carbohydrate and oxygen. This oxygen will be eliminated, means it will go to the atmosphere. Okay, so when this leaves, when we cut the leaves like this using a blade, when we are cutting like this, and when we are looking under the microscope, electron microscope, we can see like this. Okay, so this one, this green color portion is known as the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll will produce, the chlorophyll is produced by a structure known as the chloroplast, and it will produce green pigment, that is the chlorophyll. So I told you oxygen and carbon dioxide will come and it will go out of the plant cell through an opening that is known as the stomata. Stomata, this is the stomata. Stomata is a two side of the stomata. We can see kidney shaped cell, that is known as the guard cell. Okay, so when in the plant cell need food, when they have to prepare the food, the carbon dioxide will enter through the opening. When it is enough, this will close. Okay, so this is the process of photosynthesis with the help of carbon dioxide and water and the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The green plants will produce carbohydrate, the food of the plants, and it will release oxygen. So this photosynthesis is very important. Without photosynthesis, we cannot live, right? If plants are not there, can we live? It is impossible for the whole world. So this process of photosynthesis is very important for our existence. Not only for plants, for also for us also, for human beings also, photosynthesis is very important because we are depending on plants. We and other animals, all we are all heterotrophs. We all are depending upon these producers and these plants. So if photosynthesis is not happening, we cannot live. So this photosynthesis is very important for our existence. As I told you, sunlight is very important for the process of photosynthesis. We will conduct one experiment, that is known as the iodine test. Okay, for that I am taking two plants. Okay, normal type, two same common type plants, two plants I am taking, and one plant I am keeping in the sunlight, and another plant I am keeping in a dark room where there is no sunlight for 3 to 4 days. Okay, after 3 to 4 days, I am conducting iodine test. For that, I am taking one leaf from here and one leaf from the dark plant, the plant which I kept in the dark room. That one leaf I am taking. both. Then I am doing iodine test. After iodine test, if this we can see if blue color is there, we can tell that the plant contain food. Okay, so if it is dark blue color is there, dark blue color is the plant produce the food. Okay, so in this case here the plant which I kept in sunlight will produce, where the leaf will be blue in color, and this plant which I kept in dark room, that will be in brown color after conducting iodine test. So this is very important test to tell, to interfere that sunlight is very important for photosynthesis. Okay, that is known as iodine test. We are taking two leaves. One we kept in the sunlight and another one we kept in a dark room. And after doing iodine test, if it is blue color, which leaf is blue in color? Usually the leaf which we kept under the sun, in the sunlight, that will, after the test we can see it will be in the blue color, and other one will be brown color. Why? Because the green plants, after photosynthesis, it will produce starch. Starch, when it react with the iodine solution, it will give blue color. Okay, so presence of starch will be there. Starch will be there in this plant which we kept in the sunlight. Hope it is clear to you. Now you will think about some leaves which is in red color and other different colors will be there. That will not produce food or what? Okay, because the reason is that chlorophyll will be there in that leaves, but the content of red color or orange color or yellow color will be more. So this red color will hide the green color. Okay, green color chlorophyll will be there, but more it will be other colors. That's why some leaves like red color, orange color, that also will prepare their own food. Okay.